The blue one. Hi. Say hi, Mason.
Hi, Mason.
Oh.
Hi, Robin. Yeah.
Okay. Shh. Okay. So how many dots do we see right here?
One.
One. Okay. So right here.
Two.
Two. How many? Three.
Four.
We haven't seen it yet. How many is that?
Four.
Four.
Five.
Five.
Six.
How did you know that was six?
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So when you counted it, did you just count in your head
No.
when you saw the six, or how did you do that? How did you come up with six before you actually touched them and counted them?
I got it right because I built it. I did it.
Because you envisioned it and you thought about it.
Mm-hmm.
Good
My
job.
I saw on the TV, then I realized I knew the number.
So you remember seeing the TV, the numbers on the TV?
1, 2.
So let's start right here. So these are what we call 10 frames. We have the dots there, and we have the blank My 10 Frames page. So on this one, and we're gonna start and work. We're gonna start from the bottom and then work our way up. So how many dots do we have right here?
1.
One. Okay, so can you count how many we have right here?
2.
Two. And what about right here?
3.
3. And what about right here? Right here.
4.
4. Okay. And so how did you know it was 4 without counting?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. So what about right here? How many do we have right there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Okay. So we've done these right here. So how many do we have right here in this one?
We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6.
That's right. And so how many do we have right here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7.
7. That's right. You're doing a very good job. So if we have 7, how many do we have in this one?
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8.
And 8. That's right. So if we have 8 in this one, how many do we have right here in this one?
Oh, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Is that a lot of dots? It is. Okay. And so what about this one? Can you count in this one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
We have 11.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So how do you know that we have 11?
I know this.
Because you know it. Okay. Can you count that one for me one more time, please? Pretty please.
Say 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So we have 11 in this one.
I knew it.
You knew it? Excuse you. Okay, so which color cubes do you want to use?
I want to use blue,
Blue
and red.
Okay.
Fireball.
Okay,
Fireball.
Okay, can you show me 3 cubes in each square? Can you just put 3 cubes? Okay, so how many is that?
3.
3? Okay, good job. Now 5. You're doing great. Okay, now can you show me 5? What did you just do?
Just switch them out.
You switched them out? Did you add any cubes? How many cubes did you add?
Fireballs.
To these right here? Okay, let's take these out. We can put those in just a second.
Fireball.
Okay, if we have these 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so how many did you add?
5.
You added 5?
Mhm.
Okay. If we had 3, you already, how many do you have right here?
3,
And how many do you have in my hand?
2.
2. And where do those 2 go to make for us to make 5? So how many did we add to that 3?
5.
We have 5. But how many did I have in my hand?
You had
Do you remember how many I had in my hand?
2. 5.
So how many did we add?
5. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, let's try this one more time. So how many do you have right there? Okay, no, we'll put those in a minute. But how many do you have right here? How many do you have right here?
3.
Not in. We'll put this one in a minute. But how many do you have right here?
I'm mixing it up.
Okay.
You got 2. Yeah.
You want to mix it up and make it more colorful,
More colorful. Like this.
like that?
Mhm.
Okay. Can you count these for me?
Number 2.
That is 2 in there.
I did it.
You did it. Okay, so you have 3, right? Okay, so we have 3. So how many do I have in my hand? 2. Okay, so if we want to make 5, so how many did you just add right here?
5.
Are you sure? You got to look at it.
1,
If I had 2 in my hand,
3, 4, 5.
that's right. That is 5. Okay, but can you tell me how many do I have in my hand?
2.
Okay, and how many did you put in this space and this space?
2.
Give me high five. You guys clap for Mason. Mason, you just added. I'm so proud of you. Okay, so can you show me 6? You want to use a different color or you want to use the same color?
The same color.
The same color?
1, 2, 3. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's take some out.
Let's take some out.
That's 6.
Give me a double high five. You go, Mason. I'm so proud of you. You did it. Okay, so let's do one more thing, okay? And then you can play with the cubes.
What about the game?
The game? Okay, we'll play the game. Okay, so now do you remember seeing me write the numbers on these? The number 3 is on there. So we have 2 plus 2.
What do we equal?
And we have 1 plus 2.
How much? What do
And
that
1
equal?
plus 3.
What do that equals?
We're gonna find out. Let's see. Okay. So do you want to use a different color cube on this one? Okay. So, red. Okay, so now we're gonna take 1 red cube. Can you put 1 red cube on there? Okay, so now let's use a different color. So you want to pick a different color?
Yeah, green.
The green? Okay.
Fire, green garbage.
Okay. So how many greens are we gonna add? What's this number right here?
3.
3. Okay, so we're gonna add 3 greens.
2.
I'm so proud of you. Okay, so how many do we have all together? If we have 1 red and then 1, 2, 3 greens, so how many are there all together?
Those two together. Those two together. Those and this is together.
And it's together. So what makes that together? Is it the same number? Are they all equal?
They are equal.
They are all equal. Okay, so remember, if we only had this one red, okay, we're gonna move these right really quickly, okay? And we'll put them back. So if we have the one red and then 1, 2, and 3 green. So how many cubes do you see here, like in this entire row? Can you count how many cubes there are?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Give me a high five! Yay! Okay, so if we have 1, and then did you add 3 green ones? You did? Okay, so for add, so are you listening? Okay, another word for add is plus, right? It's plus
100,000.
It equals 100,000. That's a really big number, isn't it? That's a really big number. Okay, so how many do we have total here? How many did we count?
We counted 4.
We counted 4. Mason, you did addition. So now let's say it like this. So let's say 1 plus 1 plus 3 equals.
I don't know it. Say it.
No, you have to say. You just did it. How many did we count?
4.
Okay, so now let's say it one more time. So we have 1. Can you say it? Say 1 plus 1 plus. We gotta say
plus 4
plus 3
what
plus 3
what
equals. How many does it equal?
4.
4. That's right. I am so proud of
I'm
you.
kicking oranges.
Okay, we're gonna do one more, okay? And then you can play. You can play goalie with the cubes. Oh, you. Okay, let's try this one.
Oh, Lord, you know how to break the
Okay,
rules.
so he got 1 plus 3 equals 4.
Let me put them back together.
Okay, you want to put them back together?
How do you put them back together?
I don't think you can put those back together.
Yes, you can.
Okay, well, let's try it after we finish this last one, okay? Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so do you want to pick two colors that you want to use? So which 2 colors do you want to use?
Bye, Robin.
So okay, so when you
Bye, Robin. Bye, Robin.
Okay, and which other one? What other color do you want to use?
And blue.
The blue. Okay, so what's this number?
I mean it.
Okay.
Like a hot dog.
Yes, I see. Okay, so let's do this last one, and then you can go play. So what number is this?
1.
1, and what number is this? 2. Okay, so which color do you want to use first?
One was down. 3 in your mouth.
Oh no. Okay. Okay, so get 1 blue one, and there you go. Okay, and then let's get 2 red. So you have to add 2 red. You added 2 red. Okay, do you want them here or do you want them up there?
There.
You want them right here? Okay, so how many blue ones do we have? Okay, let's kind of move this one back a little bit. Okay, so how many blue ones do we have?
1.
1, and how many?
2.
We have 2 red ones? Okay, so now we're going to add this. So we have 1 plus, how many is this?
2.
2? Okay, so how many cubes do we have in this entire
3.
picture? How do you know we have 3?
I know that. 1, 2, 3.
You are so smart. Give yourself a hand clap. Go, Mason. Here, I want you to do this for me. Do your hand like this and put it right here and go, mwah. Mwah. Kiss your brain. You're so smart. Yay, Mason. Say bye.
Bye.